IMT University Meerut, located in Uttar Pradesh, was established in 2016. It has an overall rating of 3.4 stars out of 5 from students on Shiksha.com. How is this institute for BTech? Let's find out. Starting right off with the placements which have been rated 2.8 stars. IMT University's 2022-23 BTech placements saw participation from 200 plus recruiters. And among these were HR1, IBM, Accenture, TCS and Wipro that were the prominent ones. For the CSE students alone, around 40 to 50 companies came here. 26 out of 49 students were placed, resulting in a placement rate of 59%. The highest package stood at 33.5 lakh per annum, whereas the median was around 3 lakhs in 2023. If one looks at the year-on-year trend, the median packages remained the same at around 3 lakh per annum from 2021-22 to 2022-23. A median salary analysis comparing IMT University with similarly aged and neighboring Mangalayatan University indicates similar graduation outcomes for students at IMT. In their review, students share that prominent roles like software developer, engineer trainee and data scientists are being offered to them. Internship opportunities were also abundantly available to pretty much the entire batch. IMT offers 7 specializations for BTech program. The BTech seat intake is 345 with a minimum eligibility requirement of 45% in 10 plus 2, and admission involves securing a high rank in qualifying exams JEE Mains or CUET or UPTAC. A look at the JEE Main closing cutoff year-on-year rank trend reveals relative relaxations in 2022 as compared to 2021 when it comes to ease of securing admissions. The per semester tuition fee ranges from 78.55 thousand to 1.49 lakh rupees depending on the chosen specialization, with higher rates for CSE streams. The total cost of the 4-year BTech program is approximately 2.51 to 5.27 lakh rupees. IMT is also providing scholarships for meritorious students, for those admitted via CUET, for outstanding sports persons and for defense and CAPF personnel and their dependents. At about 2.51 to 5.27 lakhs, the program cost aligns with an expected salary of 4 lakhs. This earns the institute a 3.3 star value for money rating on Shiksha. Shifting our focus towards the 3.6 star rated infrastructure segment. IMT has a campus area of 100 acres. Campus includes various facilities like libraries, hostels, sports complexes, laboratories, gym and more. Students have appreciated the overall infrastructure. The institution offers 2 hostels each for boys and girls with double and triple sharing rooms, attached bathrooms and laundry facilities. Each hostel has a dedicated warden, 24/7 security, surveillance cameras and a high-speed Wi-Fi throughout. Entry to hostel closes at 9 p.m. Students said that the hostel facilities are good with fees around 80,000 rupees per year. The mess offers 3 meals a day, snacks and a special dish on weekends. The sports facilities include a 400-meter grass running track, cricket, hockey and football grounds, horse riding, a 13 to 20-meter swimming pool, a gymnasium, among others. The NCC prominently organizes activities such as Swachh Bharat as well as initiatives like Puneet Sagar Abhiyan. Moving on to faculty and course curriculum, which has received a rating of 3.6 stars. Students praise the professors for their readiness to help passions for subjects and PhD qualifications. They describe them as knowledgeable, caring and approachable, offering extensive support and guidance. Students said that the curriculum is industry-focused and relevant, particularly in fields like computer science and engineering. IMT has been rated 3.6 stars by students for campus life. Let's delve deeper. There are opportunities to join a number of clubs that include sports, music, dance, entrepreneurship, and innovation clubs. Students mentioned that the university hosts intra-college competitions, festivals, and alumni fest each year as well as star nights. For more details on IMT University Meerut and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.